Random animal facts that may surprise you. Octopuses have 3 hearts. One pumps blood around the body, while the other 2 pump it to the gills. Oh, and that blood is blue, thanks to high copper levels. The eyes of an owl are not true eyeballs. Their tube-shaped eyes are completely immobile, providing binocular vision which fully focuses on their prey and boosts depth perception. Polar bears have black skin. This helps it to absorb heat from the sun to stay warm in an Arctic climate, and it likely protects the bear from harmful UV rays. Butterflies can taste with their feet, using something called chemoreceptors that help them to identify plants. Females select the correct leaf on which to lay eggs by drumming it with her feet to release juices. A dog's sense of smell is legendary, but did you know that their nose has as many as 300 million receptors? In comparison, a human nose has about 5 million. Reindeer eyeballs turn blue in winter to help them see at lower light levels. They're golden-colored in summer. No other mammals are known to have this ability. A single strand of spider silk is thinner than a human hair, but also 5 times stronger than steel of the same width. A rope just 2 inches thick could reportedly stop a Boeing 747. The claws of a mantis shrimp can accelerate as quickly as a .22 caliber bullet. Scientists must keep them in thick plastic tanks because their punches can break glass. A sea lion is the first non-human mammal with a proven ability to keep a beat. A female sea lion named Ronan was trained to do it by scientists, who then showed she could transfer that skill to a song with a different beat that she had not heard before. Tardigrades are extremely durable microscopic animals that exist all over Earth. They can survive any of the following: 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 149 Celsius, minus 458 degrees F, minus 272 C, the vacuum of space, pressure 6 times stronger than the ocean floor, and more than a decade without food. Wild dolphins call each other by name. They let out a unique whistle to identify each other and will respond if they hear their own call played back. Azara's owl monkeys are more monogamous than humans. They live together as families, with 2 parents and offspring for up to 9 years, or when one of them dies. Fathers are highly involved in caring for their young. Male gentoo and Adelie penguins propose to females by giving them a pebble. These are precious because the penguins use them to build their nests, and they can be hard to find along the barren Antarctic shoreline. If the female accepts the pebble, the pair bonds and mates for life. African buffalo herds display voting behavior, in which individuals register their travel preference by standing up, looking in one direction, and then lying back down. Only adult females can vote. A supercolony of invasive Argentine ants, known as the California Large, covers 560 miles of the U.S. West Coast. It's currently engaged in a turf war with a nearby supercolony in Mexico. Killer whales, or orcas, technically fall under the dolphin family, but that doesn't mean killer whales aren't whales. Animals in the dolphin family are part of the toothed whale suborder. Basically, all dolphins are whales, but not all whales are dolphins like killer whales are. Cats can taste the air. That lip curl your cat makes after sniffing something actually has a name, the Fleeman response, and it means he's using his tongue to trap the pheromones and flick them to an organ above the roof of his mouth to process them. Rumor has it that tiger pee smells like buttered popcorn, according to the World Wildlife Fund. Not quite what you'd expect, but at least it's not the worst smell in the world. Elephants can be right or left trunked. It's like how you might be right or left-handed. Basically, this means elephants prefer to use one side of their trunk. They start to develop this preference at around 3 months old. Wolves don't actually howl at the moon. A wolf howling at the full moon is a well-known sight in popular media, but wolves don't actually do that. They do howl for other reasons, though. Each wolf has his own distinct howl, and wolves use their howls to communicate with members of their packs or to scare other wolves away from their territory. And a wolf's howl can be heard up to 10 miles away.